Xiaomi unfortunately isn't a company that is well known in the US. It was the biggest tech brand in China before Huawei overtook it a few years ago. The company has its own smartwatch lineup and is now ready to launch the next one. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro has just been shown in some leak renders, and rumors say that it'll be its second watch to run Wear OS, but it'll be the first one for the global market to be launched with the Wear OS. After Wear OS 3 was launched, Google has been doing more and consistent updates for the wearable platforms. Many different smartphone makers implement Wear OS, but Xiaomi has resisted doing it in lieu of its own proprietary software. There's a news coming up from a ex-user known as Mystery Lupin. Watch 2 is said to be a premium smartwatch with a stainless steel body. It could feature 1.43-inch display with a Gorilla Glass. The resolution will be 466 into 466 AMOLED display. It'll come with the new Snapdragon W5 Plus chipset. It's the first Xiaomi smartwatch to come with a Qualcomm chipset. It'll have 2GB RAM and 32GB of storage. It'll come with 500 mAh battery, so it'll have very good battery life compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 series. It'll have a rotating crown on the side of the watch, and there'll be two buttons on top and underneath it. It should run Wear OS, but with MyUI skin on top. Xiaomi already had a watch with Wear OS, but it was exclusively built only for China.